Can you feel the power? NumPy in Grasshopper using remote ghPython remote nodes out of the this node right here, which you need to get a hold of and download and watch my past videos. But right now I have a lot of user objects that I'm bringing into my ghPython and repositories. I'm going to show you the power of this. Take a look. We've got a multi-dimensional array that's been made. It's using NumPy. NumPy has other data types but will use numbers. You can use list of lists, or list of lists, and you can use the more powerful arithmetic functions. So that's great. Plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and they use these. Oh, that's going to have to be corrected. That meant to say to, not to, which won't correct because this is a user object. Once you download it, it'll go back to the old thing unless I reload it, which I'm not going to do because of a spelling error. And aggregates, another one. I should check my spelling. Two elements that are in the same position. So make yourself an array, make it parametric because of your sliders, and you watch that jump and change all those other wonderful functions. Look at that thing operating on multiple lists of lists of lists. I mean, it's outstanding, and doing its addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Can you feel the power? I'm so excited about this. We will continue, and we will go into what's next. Oh, I can't even remember. Calculating the minimum and maximum of these values. We will be able to eat numbers and tell you things, and maybe you'll find the averages, maybe find some wonderful geometries from all this. Keep in mind that this all came back from working static in Rhino and wanting to do something parametric, then something computational, then chase the solid back to the surface, to the line, to the point, to the attributes of that point, and to the programming of those attributes to those points, which is why I've gone so hard in the ghPython. Had to learn a lot of C#, but this Python language seems so much easier. Sorry, Jose, Luis, I'm going to use the word. We'll call it Calathon for his benefit. But what a powerful tool, and I will just continue. Keep in mind this file is much bigger. It is the Intermediate Multidimensional Arrays Arithmetic 6, which is tied to a much bigger document right here, which is the one-liner basic intermediate data science looking at NumPy. We'll get into pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow, but this is the node that you have to find, and you have to load up on Anaconda. Anaconda's right here. You're going to want to go in. You're going to want to use your applications on your remote, and in doing so, you will figure this out, and if you don't, give me a call, talk to me, use the social media sites. I found it all out on my own. I have no instruction when it comes to this stuff except for a book, and the book is not telling me a thing about how to do this with Grasshopper. So this is incredibly empowering. It makes your mind feel like you want to get up in the morning and keep going farther and gaining this much control over Grasshopper I never thought I'd imagine in my wildest dreams. 3 minutes of total power.